Well guys, welcome to CRIMP CHIMPS Champions! Hey guys, welcome to this video today.
We're about to go inside the Ninja Academy, start our session.
I just want to go home. They're holding me here. Please, please, I just want to go home.
He's fine. Don't worry about him. You little joker.
No.
You little...
Everyone, the boys and I are at Ninja Academy right now. If you don't know what that is, it's basically everything to do with Ninja Warrior, that TV show. So over here they've got the massive Ninja Warrior course, which the boys and I will give an attempt at in a later video. We've got our hanging bars and our floor over here. They have the massive warped walls, which we'll see if we can make it to the top. And they got the parkour area, which is probably our favorite area, which we'll have a go at parkour tag later on today. So yeah, hope you enjoy and we'll see how it goes.
Welcome to CRIMP CHIMPS Champions. Today we're doing the Ultra Mega Bonanza hanging challenge with the rings from gymnastics.
Oh my goodness.
Nice. Eamon, jump on.
Yes. Take your bow. I shuffle.
Yes, Eamon.
Come on. Get it across.
More?
Oh, sorry. Where are we going?
Take it. You take it from me. Take the camera. Still no. We need...
Hold on! Oh, it's I think.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god!
Nah! That was pretty good though.
No, I appreciate it.
It's not easy.
No, I jumped and I felt my knee like, woo. Like it's not bad.
That was good.
That was fun. Welcome to CRIMP CHIMPS Champions. We are doing, what are we doing? Parkour chasing. Let's move. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, got it. Uh-oh. This way. I'll save you both.
How you feeling?
Oh my god. It's so stinky.
Jesus Christ.
You scare me.
Come on, man.
I get you?
Where did he go? He just disappeared. Saves it.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Did you get it?
That's my shoe. I think I'm it.
Oh, oh nice.
Hey! Oh!
How you feeling, bud?
I'm really scared.
Hey, Mo.
Why are you fucking me up? I ain't it. Oh, I thought you were it.
No, I'm just trying to get
Oh, shit.
How you feeling after that loss?
I didn't mean anything. Oh, shit. I didn't mean anything.
Yeah, Dick. Oh, shit.
I didn't mean anything. Oh, shit.
You go. Good, you guys keep going.
Oh, that's Eamon.
Where'd Damon go? Whoop.
That's force.
Coming. I'm coming for you.
Oh, Eamon is trapped.
Damn it.
Go! The boys and I would like to say a big thank you today to Ninja Academy for letting us film here. The guys here are absolutely awesome. They help us out with all our Ninja Warrior and parkour antics. If you guys would like to check them out and have a go yourself and maybe even catch us there, they are in the description. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. See ya.
I'm so scared. I will be mommy.